This is a three-story elevator in the style of the early 1900s. It's very simple with just up and down buttons and door open and close buttons. I don't have any logic in it at the moment. I intend to purchase a whole bunch of relays and work out how to do the relay logic so that I can provide call buttons and other interesting stuff. There's a counterweight at the back, and each floor has opening doors. They are opened by a mechanism on the cage of the elevator. This is how it's normally done. So the doors can't open onto the shaft when the cage isn't at that floor. We'll start the elevator up, and it runs slowly, intentionally. The motor is at the top. And the cage stops when it gets to the next floor. Then we can open the doors. There's a limit switch so that the doors just open the right amount. And then we can close the doors again. There's also a position indicator on the top and the middle floors. This one is in the style of most elevators in large public buildings. And just for a change, I made this one in the style of the old lifts that were found on the London Underground. The large brass weight is just pulled up and down by a string. That's exactly how those old indicators worked. We'll go up to the top floor. When it gets there, it will stop automatically. And then we can open the doors. And close them again. The lift is controlled by this circuit board here that is designed for a linear actuator, and so it has a forward start and a reverse start input, and it has a limit switch for each direction. When the cage of the lift reaches the right point, this micro switch is operated. That sends a signal to the board to stop the motor. Then if we come down again, nice and quiet on the descent, I must say. For the middle floor, we have to have a special arrangement of a separate micro switch for each direction, as the boards won't allow a signal to be present at the up and down trigger points at the same time. That's basically how it works. Here's the counterweight. This time the other micro switch is operated, and if we want to continue our descent, we just press the button again and it'll go to the bottom floor. Here's the door opening mechanism. Again, limit switches are used to stop the motor at the right points. And this motor is also controlled by the same linear actuator module. Well, that's it for this version. I'm going to try and make it with full relay logic, which will be quite a challenge, but it's something that I find very interesting. Okay, thanks for watching.